No! Wow! Yeah! Oh, yes! Hey everyone, it's Leah here, but I'm going to surprise you today. I'm going to show you a strategy that most of my students use to multiply their deposits several times, over on the first day. Alright, no more waiting, let's dive in. Hey, I invite you to my Telegram channel where you can learn more about trading. Whether you experience or just starting out, there is something useful for everyone. Alright, let's start by switching to candles and setting as 15. After that, I'll set it to a 1 minute time frame and my amount will be $600. Next, we add one indicator, moving average with the settings period 20 and styles yellow. Perfect. Let's save it, add a couple of currency pairs, and then begin trading. I'm going long. As you can see, we've got an uptrend with the price touching the moving average and bouncing off several times. And now we've hit the moving average again. It's logical to assume we'll bounce and move higher. And let's see what the chart shows. Great, just 14 seconds left and... Yes, it's awesome! Deal closed in profit! Yeah guys, let's keep going. A little late on this one, didn't enter at the best moment. But we are in, so what's going on here? We've got a head and shoulders pattern here. After that, they crossed below the moving average and came back. A retest. That's why we open a short position here. Let's see how this plays out on the chart. Well, are our guesses right? What do you think, guys? Yes, we did it! Amazing, great, it got it! Let's move on, guys. Oh, I missed it just a bit. No! What a bullshit! Alright, but everything's looking good here. We are above the moving average and it got another reversal like that head and shoulders pattern from earlier. Yeah, we will cover all our losses. So I'm opening a long trade now and this should be on point. Perfect, yes, the price is rising. Oh no, 8 seconds left. 6, 4. No! Wow! Yeah! Oh, yes! Let's keep going. Opening another long position. Okay, we are seeing a beautiful uptrend. The price came to the moving average and bounced off again. I'm betting it's going to keep... Yes, it's going to keep climbing. Let's see. Yes. Trade close in profit. Awesome.
Psst, wanna some free trades? Then hurry up and join my channel.
Alright, I'm opening a long position here. We've got a long uptrend and the price finally broke above the moving average. I think it's going up from here. Let's see what's happening on the chart. Yes, we made a profit. Yes, trade close in profit. What a fantastic day, guys. And here's our final trade for today. We are seeing a long uptrend here, like a steady climb uphill. The price is above the moving average, confirmed. So I'm opening a long trade near the moving average. Yes. Let's watch what happens and make our final calls. Oh, sorry, my haters, no losses for today. Yes. Well, then here my money. Yes, it's a great day. Oh my god, that was something! That was an incredible trading session, right? I hope you pick up some tips from this video. The moving average never lets me down, and I hope it helps you too. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video to catch more like this. I'm off to prepare another expert trading video. Don't miss it. Bye bye!